Hello everyone. So last week Microsoft has announced that it is going to go away with DA-100 and it has introduced rather a new name for the same Microsoft Power BI exam, which is PL-300. So this new exam PL-300 is going to replace DA-100, and you can take this DA-100 exam till March 31, 2022, and PL-300 is available from February 28. But if you have already taken the data analyst certification, you will just see the new name in your certification dashboard. So this is only for people who are preparing for the exam or who are planning to give the exam. But once you already have it, you will just see a name change. But then if you're already preparing for DA-100, just continue with your preparation. There is no difference in what exam you take, either the PL-300 or the DA-100. If you have already started preparation and if you're planning to give the exam by February end, then go ahead with the DA-100 exam. But then I would say that even if you have just started preparing, you can still go with the DA-100 exam, because the exam objectives are pretty much similar between DA-100 and PL-300. So in DA-100, you have 5 different domains. You have prepared the data, model the data, just that they have separated, visualize the data in one domain and analyze the data in one domain. But in PL-300, you have them both combined together, and the last one is deploying and maintaining assets. So pretty much there is not much difference. Probably I think there are some topics that are left out from PL-300 when compared to the DA-100. We do not have that side by side comparison here, but then we can go and check here. We will do the comparison now. There is not much difference. As I said, just the fact that PL-300 comes with less number of topics, and if this is something that excites you, then probably you can wait for 1 month and prepare for PL-300 instead of DA-100. So if I have to do a side-by-side comparison, for example, for getting data from different sources, you have only a selected number of topics here, but then these topics are a subset of the topics from DA-100. So you see here, there are less number of topics, even profile data is missing, but you have clean, transform and load the data, and even there, probably here you get most of it. But let's go to model the data and designing a data model. You see here, under every topic and subtopic, some topics are being stripped out of PL-300. So PL-300 is a more condensed version of DA-100. You get less topics to prepare for. But then this should not be the reason that you are postponing your preparation. You should continue to prepare. If you want to go for PL-300, go for PL-300 with this updated study guide. But just know that you can give this exam after February 28. So I already have prepared PL-300 study guide. I already have DA-100 study guide as well on my website. So here I have linked all the different resources that you would need to prepare for the exam. And I already have launched my practice test course. So it's PL-300 practice test on Udemy. I am still creating this course, and you can see that there are only 68 questions. I am planning to go up to 150 or probably 170, maybe 180 questions. But as I am preparing the course, I have already put it on the Udemy platform. What I am looking for here is some genuine feedback. If you are a student who is preparing for the exam, then you are the right candidate to take this course. I will give this course for free, and it will not be free forever. It's only going to be free for next 1 month or next 15 days. So be sure to grab the link in the description and get this free course. So you get this course for free, and what I really looking for is some genuine feedback on how to improve this course and how to make this course a must have before going for the exam. So I really love those genuine comments. If you're genuine student who really wants to prepare for the exam, um, I'm gonna give it to you. You just message me if the coupon expires, something like that. I'm gonna give it to you. In return, I just ask that you please share this course with your friends, and you please give me some genuine feedback. So it will help me in altering the course preparation. If you do not know, I already have a SC900 practice test course on Udemy, which is doing really well. So it has around 3,100 students with 4.5 rating. And I assure you, I've put even more effort than for SC900 for PL-300. So it's going to be really dense, awesome explanations. You don't have to worry about anything. And let me just show you some of the salient features of what you will get with the PL-300 course. Lots of different points, you can go through them in your free time. You get clear explanations, lots of different visuals. Like every step, I'm going to show you the Power BI desktop, how I'm going to do there, and drive results, and explain why this is the correct answer, why this is the wrong answer. So these explanations are directly from my own understanding of the product, and it's not directly copied from Microsoft documentation. And I also tried to simulate actual Microsoft exam experience for you in the form of different questions. And I am also using Grammarly so that you don't have to deal with punctuation mistakes and grammar mistakes. Non-existent repetition of questions you will not see. Just I'm repeating the question just to boost my number of question count. And you get 30-day free money back guarantee, that's there. Lifetime access. I'm also gonna upload the free PL-300 sample questions on my website, so you can check there as well. And I would like to say that these questions are organized under 4 levels: remember level, understand level, application level, analysis level. So since for Power BI, probably you will see less of remember level. This level of questions I have devoted for fundamentals exam like SC900, but here mostly you should be able to see application level and analysis level questions. And again, there are going to be lots of visuals, lot of explanations why something is right, why something is wrong. You can see my other YouTube videos, or you can see the comments for my previous course, just in case you are tentative to get started with my course. Explanations are going to be awesome, and I urge you to check it out if the course is still going to be free. So this free part is going to be there only for the next 15-20 days, and I'm looking to give free to as many people as I can, and I'm looking to gather as much as feedback as I can, so that it will help me in preparing better questions for the remaining 120 or so. But once after that, I will not be able to give this course for free. So please hurry up and register for this course if you're seriously preparing for PL-300 or even DA-100 exam. So that's it from me. I will see you in the next video. I'm going to come up with more videos on my YouTube channel. So let's see you in the next video.